Light pollution is an issue that contributes to industrialization and affects even aquatic organisms. For example, it limits their lifestyle. Interference from man-made light sources also causes a decrease in infant expectancy in many aquatic animals, most notably the sea turtle. Effects of light pollution span a variety of species, locations, and intensities. Light can severely affect ecological patterns which cause exponential damage to aquatic life. While lighting cities has become a growing issue in human society, the immense impact of these lights on aquatic life cannot be understated or ignored. Fields that contribute to this issue include marine biology, chemistry, biology, environmental science, and statistics.
We reference many disciplines in our reading summarizing to address light pollution, one of major climate change issues. Chemistry was generally used to measure levels of energy and stress caused by artificial light and explain how they change biologically internal system of aquatic organisms. The communities in the shared environment had ecological issues in food chain, since rising zooplankton could stimulate the predation of other species and distract the navigation of organisms. The disciplinary similarity is the similar experiments in absence and presence of artificial light during nights, and disciplinary differences are different species with different numbers of treatments. The various disciplines worked together as the scientists could find the reasons why the data in each research came from, and they had relationships. The research on juvenile bonefish discovered artificial light increased both glucose and stress level. Such chemical changes due to high energy expenditure could affect the predation of other organisms. The communication between species were confused by the predation, and so bioluminescence could have no longer effect. The inclusion of multiple disciplines towards similar experimental studies allow the data to be confirmed and suggest future research to find out more advanced reasons related to the experiments.
Popular media. In general, the articles we found were well sourced and accurate, frequently referencing prominent scientific journals within the field. For example, an article we found relating to how ocean creatures struggle with light pollution specifically worked around a scientific study and references other scientific studies within the article. Among these articles that were scientifically questionable, we usually found that they misstated scientific facts, usually by underestimating the effects of light pollution.
In conclusion, light pollution has a devastating effect on almost every aspect of aquatic life. Therefore, it is imperative that we put significant effort into reducing the severity of this issue, particularly in heavily populated coastal cities. In addition, it is important for well-intended articles to avoid underestimating the degree of a problem when communicating to the general public.